Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Exam Point Notes. Today we are going to cover part 8 of class 12 biology chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance. Need PYQs. Let's start. First question. Question number 1. In an E. coli strain, I gene get mutated and its product cannot bind the inducer molecule if the growth medium is provided with lactose. What will be the outcome? Options are A. RNA polymerase will bind the promoter region, B. Only Z gene will get transcribed, C. ZYA genes will get transcribed, D. ZYA genes will not be translated. The correct option is option number D, which is ZYA genes will not get be translated. Next question. Question number 2. Match the following genes of lac operin with their respective products. These are the options. Select the correct option. And these are the options. So the correct option among them is option number C, which is 3142. Next question. Question number 3. Select the correct match. A. Alizefre, Streptococcus pneumonia. B. Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase DMV. C. Matthew Melsons and F. Stalf PCM stavium. D. Fracos Jacob and Jacques Manod lac operin. The correct option is option number B, which is Alfred Hershey and Martha Chase DMV. Next question. Question number 4. All of the following are part of an operon except A. Operator, B. Structural gene, C. An enhancer, D. A promoter. The correct option is option number C, which is an enhancer. Next question. Question number 5. The equivalent of a structural gene is A. Operon, B. Recon, C. Meton, D. Cistron. The correct option is option number D, which is cistron. Next question. Question number 6. Which enzymes will be produced in a cell in which there are a nonsense mutation in the LAC-Y genes? A. Lactose and transacetylase, beta galactosidase, D. C. Lactose D. Transacetylase. The correct option is option number B, which is beta galactosidase. Next question. Question number 7. Read the 4 statements from A to D. Options are statements are A. Transcription adenosine pairs with uracil. B. Regulation of lac operin by repressor is referred to as positive regulation. C. The human genome has approximately 50,000 genes. D. Hemophilia is a sex-linked recessive disease. Which one of the following statements are correct? A2, B3, C4, D1. The correct option is 2 statements among these are correct. Those are A and D is the correct statement. Next question. Question number 8. Select the correct statement from A to D about lac operin. A. Glucose and galactose may bind with repressor and inactivate it. B. In the absence of lactose, the repressor binds with operator region. C. Z gene codons are for permease. D. This was elucidated by Jacob and Monod. Options are A and D, B and D, C, A and B, D, B and C. The correct option is option number B, which is B and D. Next question. Question number 9. Lac operin consists of A. 4 regulatory genes only, B. 2 regulatory genes and 2 structural genes, C. 3 regulatory genes and 3 structural genes, D. 1 regulatory gene and 3 structural genes. The correct option is option number D, which is 1 regulatory gene and 3 structural genes. Next question. Question number 10. Differentiation of tissues and organs is connected with A. Differential expression of genes, B. deletion of genes, C. lethal mutation, D. developmental mutations. The correct option is option number A, which is differential expression of genes. Next question. Question number 11. A sequential expression of a set of human genes occurs when a steroid molecule binds to mRNA, DNA sequence, tRNA, ribosome. The correct option is option number B, which is DNA sequence. Next question, question number 12. E. coli with mutated Z gene of lac operon cannot grow in a medium containing only lactose as a source of energy because A. Lac operon is continuatively active in these cells. B. These cannot synthesize functional B. Galactosidase. C. In presence of glucose, E. coli cannot utilize lactose. D. The bacterium cannot transport lactose from the medium into the cell. The correct option is option number B, which is they cannot synthesize functional beta galactosidase. Next question, question number 13. What does lac refers to in what we call the lac operon? Options are A. Lactose, B. Lactase, C. Lac insect, D. The number 1 lac. The correct option is option number A, which is lactose. Next question, question number 14. Jacob and Manor studies lactose metabolism in E. coli and proposed operant concept applicable for A. all prokaryotes, B. all prokaryotes and some eukaryotes, C. all prokaryotes and all eukaryotes, D. all prokaryotes and some protozoans. The correct option is option number C, which is all prokaryotes and all eukaryotes. Next question, question number 15. E. coli during lactose metabolism repressor binds to A. regulator gene, B. operator gene, C. structural gene, D. promoter gene. The correct option is option number B, which is operator gene. Next question, question number 16. In negative operon, A. inducer binds with repressor, B. co-repressor does not bind with repressor, D. co-repressor bind with inducer, D. CM have negative effects on B apron. The correct option is option number B, which is co-repressor does not bind with repressor. Next question, question number 17. Gene and cistron words are sometimes used synonymously because A. one cistron contains many genes, B. one gene contains many cistrons, C. one gene contains one cistron, D. one gene contains no cistron. The correct option is option number C, which is one gene contains one cistron. Next question, question number 18. In inducible operant, regulatory gene synthesize A. promoter, B. operator, C. repressor, D. appressor. The correct option is option number C, which is repressor. Next question, question number 19. After crossing two plants, the progenies are found to be male sterile. The phenomenon is found to be maternally inheritance and is due to some genes which reside in A. mitochondria, B. cytoplasm, C. nucleus, D. chloroplast. The correct option is option number B, which is cytoplasm. Next question, question number 20. This is the last question of this video. Let's see this. The wild type of E. coli cells are growing in a normal medium with glucose. They are transferred to a medium containing only lactose as sugar. Which one of the following chances take place? A. lac operon is induced. B. E. coli cells stop dividing. C. the lac operon is repressed. D. all operons are induced. The correct option is option number A, which is the lac operon is induced. So this video ends here. Thank you for watching the video till end. Subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.